A very pleasant morning to Reverend Father, Reverend Sister, honorable teachers and my dear Colossians. We, the students of class 10A, are going to present our class assembly today.
Now I call upon V. Preetham for the Lord's Prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
To seek the blessings of the Almighty and fill our hearts with peace and harmony, let us begin with the prayer song.
Oh God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me close to be His side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me close to His side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way. He will make a way.
Thank you, boys, for that beautiful prayer song that has truly set a peaceful tone for the day.
Now let us reaffirm our duties and responsibilities towards our nation through the pledge.
School attention. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. School stand it is.
Thank you, Bhargavan, for the pledge.
Being aware of current events help us grow as responsible citizens. Now I invite S.K. Lal to present today's news.
Good morning, Reverend Father, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I, Sheikh Hilal of class 10th is standing here to present today's news. International news. Ukraine, Germany signed agreement in key areas of defense cooperation. National news. Migrant workers hit by cooking gas shortages are leaving cities. State news. As of April 15, 2026, features major political shifts in Bihar with a new BJP-led government. City news. 3 new police stations inaugurated in Ankaapalli. Fishing is banned from April 15 to June 14. Weather report. Maximum 30 degrees Celsius, minimum 30 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Hilal. That keeps us well informed and connected to the world around us.
A single thought can change the way we look at life. Let us now listen to the thought of the day by Danish.
A very pleasant morning to Reverend Father, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Muhammad Danish Ansari of class 10A. I am standing here to present today's thought. A small act of kindness can make a big difference. I repeat,
A small act of kindness can make a big difference. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Danish.
Now get ready for an engaging and thought-provoking skit performance by our class.
In a world that is moving fast towards success and technology, we sometimes forget the people who need us the most.
Yes, the poor, the homeless, and the elderly in old age homes. Many of them are silently waiting for care, love, and support.
Today, SOS does not just mean a distress signal, it means support our society. A reminder that humanity still matters.
Helping others is not about how much we give. It's all about how much we love put into giving.
A small act of kindness, a meal, a smile, a visit to an old age home can make a big difference in someone's life.
Through this gift, we bring to you the reality of those who are often forgotten. A Thursday, in a classroom. Class teacher. Good morning, students. Students, as I announced before, today is the last date 2 of the week to give our SOS share.
Class leader, teacher, everyone in our class have given except for 3 students.
Teacher, who are those?
Class leader, Naveen, Ritvik, Nikhil.
Teacher, stand up.
Ritvik, teacher, I don't not have money to give SOS.
Naveen, teacher, our parents aren't giving us money.
Nikhil, my problem is also the same, teacher.
Teacher, okay, I understand. But can't your parents at least give 10 rupees for a week? I daily see you there at our school canteen enjoying there with money. Instead of that, can't you even give 10 rupees for charity? Three students. Okay, teacher, we will give. Friday. Teacher. Good morning, students. We have good news. Our principal has announced that he will be taking 3 students for an annual charity program. Students, I will come. I will. Teacher, I will be selecting these boys. Okay. Naveen, Ritvik, Nikhil, please stand up.
Ritvik whispers to Nikhil and Naveen, yes, we can escape the classes.
3 students agrees for that reason. One student comes and announces, those who are in SOS program, please come. Ritvik, Naveen, Nikhil
After seeing all the
went to program. At the orphanage home and old age home. Students enters to the program, old age home and orphanage home. There at the program, as 3 students distributes some books, fruits, clothes to the orphanage children and old age people. After seeing
After seeing all the unprivileged children and old age people getting their gifts and being happy, these 3 students know the value of charity.
Before visiting, the students thought that our school management was taking money and spending for their. But now after seeing, they realized that our school is spending money on these old age homes and orphanage homes. So from today onwards, these students also participated in giving a search. So the happiness on the faces of receivers made the students realize their careless towards charity.
So my dear Aloysians, let us not wait for a reason But let us the reason to someone's smile today.
Let us spread kindness and make a world better place. Thank you.
Thank you, boss. That was a wonderful performance.
Now I humbly request our respected principal to speak a few words on our class assembly.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I congratulate the 10th year students and the class teacher for a very good performance put up here as the class assembly. And I appreciate all the exhibition of their talents and the very good skit they put up, insisting upon the virtue of giving to others and showing kindness towards others. It's a very appreciable, so give them a big round of applause. And my dear Aloysius, you are very equipped with lots of talents and abilities, and some of our MCC students have gone to assist the fire office, and they have sent a few gifts also or certificates for those participants. Teacher will announce, and keep up that service or service mindedness, or keep up that spirit of sacrifice and spirit of giving to others, whatever you have. So it is not just we keep for ourselves or whatever we accumulate. Even if the knowledge you have to share with others, then only it has its complete meaning. So I appreciate all of you, and a gentle reminder to all the class teachers. So when this type of class assembly is conducted, see that every student is participating in one role or the other. So that way we can do. Even the news reading can be done by students. So such a creative way, see that all the class students are appearing on the stage. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Children, as National Fire Service Day conducted by the Masters of National Fire Service Day conducted by Vizag Port Fire Service and our children of St. Aloysius Anglo-Indian High School, NCC boys participated in this parade. The background, the boosting is our PT Masters who organized and conducted this parade to the Port Fire Service parade. And we call upon the Masters, G. Rajini Kumar, I request Father to give the certificate, organization certificate. Anil Kumar Master. S.A. Master. Now I call upon all the NCC boys who took part, please come on to the stage. Please.
very pleasant morning to everyone. I, Mohammad Sadiq Ahmed, behalf of my class 10 year, happy to have the privilege of proposing the vote of thanks. First and foremost, we express our heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father and sisters for their constant guidance, presence, and for being a source of inspiration to all of us. A big thank you to our class teacher, Ms. Shahida, for her tireless efforts in helping us prepare and for believing in our potential. We also extend our sincere thanks to Brother Vinod for his immense help in arranging the stage and ensuring everything was perfectly in place for our assembly. Finally, thank you to our fellow students for your participation and to the audience for being so encouraging. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
As we conclude today's assembly, let us move forward with positivity and purpose. Wishing everyone a meaningful and successful day ahead.
School attention. Assembly dispersed.